Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best electric pressure cookers of 2026. The versatile kitchen appliances that make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're preparing rice, soups, stews, or even desserts, these multi-cookers combine speed, safety, and convenience in one compact design. Today's models feature smart controls, multiple cooking modes, durable builds, and energy-efficient systems, giving you the confidence to cook like a pro at home. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect one. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's cook. Starting off with the Cuckoo 5 Cutie Electric Pressure Cooker. The Cuckoo 5 Cutie Electric Pressure Cooker is a compact yet powerful option designed for everyday cooking. I love how it combines traditional pressure cooking with modern smart features, making it easy to prepare rice, stews, and one-pot meals. The 5-quart capacity is perfect for small families or individuals who want efficiency without taking up too much counter space. Its intuitive control panel offers multiple cooking modes, while the non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleanup. The safety features, including pressure release and locking lid, give me peace of mind while cooking. Cuckoo is known for its rice cookers, and this model continues that tradition with excellent rice cooking performance alongside versatile multi-cooking functions. For anyone who wants a reliable, compact cooker that delivers consistent results, the Cuckoo 5 Cutie is a smart choice. Next up is the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker takes things to the next level with advanced technology. I appreciate its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, which allow me to control and monitor cooking through the Chef IQ app. The app also provides guided recipes, making it easier to try new dishes with confidence. This cooker features a built-in scale, which helps measure ingredients directly in the pot for precise cooking. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families, and the multiple cooking modes cover everything from pressure cooking to slow cooking and steaming. The sleek design and smart interface make it feel like a premium appliance, while the safety features ensure reliable operation. For tech-savvy cooks who want innovation and convenience, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a fantastic option. Moving on, the NuWave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker. The NuWave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile appliance that combines pressure cooking with air frying. I love how it offers 2 cooking lids, one for pressure cooking and one for air frying, giving me the flexibility to prepare a wide range of meals. From crispy chicken wings to tender stews, this cooker handles it all. Its digital control panel makes operation simple, while the large capacity ensures I can cook for the whole family. The stainless steel build adds durability, and the included accessories expand its functionality. What makes the NuWave Duet stand out is its dual-function design. It saves space by combining 2 appliances into one. For anyone who wants versatility and convenience, this cooker is a game-changer. Stepping into premium performance is the Comfy 1-2-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Comfy 1-2-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is designed for users who want maximum functionality at an affordable price. With 12 preset cooking programs, it covers everything from rice and soup to yogurt and sautéing. I appreciate its large capacity, which makes it suitable for families and gatherings. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning, while the safety features provide confidence during cooking. The digital display is user-friendly, and the multiple cooking modes make it versatile enough to replace several kitchen appliances. Comfy focuses on practicality, offering a cooker that balances performance, affordability, and convenience. For anyone who wants a premium experience without spending a fortune, the Comfy 1-2-in-1 is an excellent choice. Finally, the Instant Pot 6 Cutie Rio 7-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot 6 Cutie Rio 7-in-1 Pressure Cooker earns its place as one of the most popular and trusted models in 2026. Known for its versatility, it combines 7 appliances in one, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. I love how easy it is to use. The one-touch controls and preset programs make cooking simple and efficient. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, and the stainless steel inner pot ensures durability and even cooking. Instant Pot has built a reputation for reliability, and the Rio model continues that tradition with improved design and performance. For anyone who wants a dependable, all-in-one cooker, the Instant Pot Rio is a top choice. All of these electric pressure cookers bring something valuable to the table depending on your cooking style and household needs. The Cuckoo 5 Cutie is perfect for compact spaces and everyday meals. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker offers advanced technology and guided recipes. The NewWave Duet combines pressure cooking with air frying for ultimate versatility. The comfy 1-2-in-1 delivers premium functionality at an affordable price. And the Instant Pot Rio stands out as the most trusted all-in-one solution. When choosing a pressure cooker, it's important to consider capacity, cooking modes, safety features, and ease of use. Smaller models are ideal for individuals or couples, while larger capacities suit families. Smart features like app connectivity and built-in scales add convenience, while dual-function designs save space. Safety systems, durable builds, and easy-to-clean pots ensure long-term reliability. That wraps up my top 5 best electric pressure cookers of 2026. Whether you're a busy professional, a home cook, or someone who just wants to save time in the kitchen, there's a perfect multi-cooker here for you. These appliances represent the best balance of speed, versatility, and value, helping you prepare delicious meals with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the pressure cooker that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen gadget reviews and buying guides. With the right electric pressure cooker, you'll be able to cook smarter, faster, and tastier meals every day. Imagine preparing dinner in half the time, experimenting with new recipes, and enjoying the satisfaction of perfectly cooked food, all with one appliance. Power up your kitchen, save time, and make cooking a joy again.